When comparing SaleHoo and Shopify for scaling a dropshipping business, it's important to consider which platform truly sets you up for success. Both offer valuable features, but depending on your needs, one might be more suited for your goals. So let's dive in and see how SaleHoo versus Shopify stacks up in the key areas of dropshipping. First thing, SaleHoo offers a directory of suppliers. While that sounds simple, it's incredibly powerful for those just starting out. You get access to thousands of verified suppliers, which is crucial in ensuring your products are of good quality and delivered on time. But here's the catch. SaleHoo isn't a platform for building your store. It's more like a resource for finding suppliers. So you'll still need another platform to actually run your business, which leads us to Shopify. Next thing, Shopify shines as an all-in-one e-commerce platform. It's built to create, manage, and scale your online store, handling everything from payments to marketing tools. Shopify allows you to easily customize your store with a variety of themes and apps, making it much more user-friendly than a platform like SaleHoo, where you're primarily searching for suppliers and don't get those additional features to build your business directly. The third thing to consider is ease of use. Shopify is incredibly user-friendly, and even beginners can set up their stores with minimal effort. It's designed to be intuitive, with drag-and-drop functionalities, so no need for advanced tech skills. On the flip side, SaleHoo requires more effort to integrate with other platforms, especially if you're not tech-savvy. It's more of a tool to support your existing platform rather than a comprehensive dropshipping solution. The fourth thing, pricing. SaleHoo comes with a yearly fee of around $67, which is reasonable considering the value it offers with its supplier directory. However, Shopify, while also not the cheapest, has a tiered pricing model starting at $39 per month, which can get expensive as you scale. But remember, you're not just paying for supplier access, you're paying for a complete e-commerce experience with marketing tools, automated processes, and built-in analytics. Now let's talk about scaling. If you're serious about growing your dropshipping business, Shopify offers a ton of features specifically designed for that. From automated inventory management to advanced analytics and integrations with tools like Facebook, Google Ads, and even TikTok, Shopify provides everything you need to run and grow your business efficiently. SaleHoo, while great for finding suppliers, doesn't offer those business management tools or help with marketing or scaling your operations. You'll need to look elsewhere for those aspects. The next point is customer support. Shopify has 24/7 support, offering live chat, email, and phone support, which is crucial when you're running an online store and need fast solutions. SaleHoo, while offering solid customer support, isn't available around the clock. So, if you're in need of urgent assistance at any time, Shopify may be your safer bet. Lastly, both platforms are good for those starting in dropshipping, but Shopify takes the lead for anyone looking to truly scale their business. Its extensive features and ease of use are just too valuable to overlook. SaleHoo is useful, but it's more of a supplement than a comprehensive solution. So, if you want to start dropshipping with a reliable supplier directory, SaleHoo is a great option. But if you're looking for a platform that not only helps you find suppliers, but also supports growing your business with a full set of marketing, sales, and scaling tools, Shopify is your winner. Now, all of these tools are useful, but after trying them myself, I recommend taking advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description if you're serious about scaling your dropshipping business. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out.